With the tail light being able to be removed, the 2 screws and that clip and the electric connector, now we can go ahead to be able to replace the lights that are in here if we need to replace the lights. This one here does blinker, brake, clearance, and then you have a side marker light right here. So you'll need to flip this around, and we have 4 screws that we need to remove. Also, there is a little foam insert here that you'll remove also. So we have the 4 screws to remove. So with the screws undone, you may need to pry this up because it'll be pretty sealed on. And now we can be able to pull this out. And we have our 2 lights in here. This is the light that does most everything. So we just press it in, twist it to the left, and be able to replace this light bulb. This is a 7506L. Well, the L is just long life, but this is 7056 light bulb that you would get a new one. There's no double element, so it all will just, it can go either way. Press it in, twist it, quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And then you have this one here, which is your side marker light, and that one you just pull out. Grip it and pull it out to remove it. And then this one is a 5W5 light bulb. And so you would get a new 5W5 light bulb to put in here, line it up, and then just press it in until it snaps back into place. Then when you're done, you'll be able to put this cover back on, put your 4 screws in, insert here, connect your electric connector, and then install the tail light assembly. And so that's how you would replace your lights for the outer assembly of your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.